Seeking a life with more vitality and longevity? In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret to taking NMN and how it can help you live a longer life. Hey there, welcome to Wellness Academy. I'm excited to be sharing with you some information about NMN and how it can help improve your health. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secret to taking NMN and show you how it can help you live a longer life. So stay tuned, because this is something that you definitely don't want to miss. Let's start with, what is NMN? NMN stands for nicotinamide mononucleotide, a precursor to NAD+, which is an essential coenzyme that triggers energy production and cell survival in every living cell in your body. Imagine your body as a car engine that needs fuel to run. One important type of fuel that your body needs is called NAD+, which helps your cells produce energy, repair DNA, and perform other important functions. NMN is like a special ingredient that helps your body make more of this important fuel. It's like adding an extra boost to your fuel tank, which can help keep your body running smoothly and efficiently. As we age, our NAD+ levels naturally decline. This can lead to a number of issues such as neurodegenerative conditions, cancer, and heart disease. But NMN can help reverse these effects by helping maintain healthy DNA and epigenetic function, as well as your body's inflammation response to physical stress. A groundbreaking 2016 clinical trial has proven that NMN is safe and effective for increasing NAD+ levels. And since there have been over 20 trials testing the effects of NMN on various aspects of health and longevity, you don't want to miss a single detail. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how to make the most out of NMN. So now that you know what NMN is and how it works, let's look at the health benefits. Studies show that supplementing with NMN can help increase energy levels, improve mental clarity and focus, slow cellular aging in cells throughout the body, lower inflammation and improve the body's response to physical stress, improve muscular strength and exercise endurance, and reduce the risk of developing certain age-related diseases, such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cancer. Now let's talk about how to take it. Remember that supplementing with NAD+ directly is ineffective because of its low bioavailability. This means that if you try to take NAD+ supplements, your body won't be able to absorb them efficiently, and they will not have the same effects as taking NMN. There are a few different delivery methods, including capsules, tablets, powders, and sublingual, under the tongue, formulations. This should go without saying, but it's important to choose a high-quality product from a reputable manufacturer that has been tested for purity and potency. You may need to try different dosages to find the one that works best for you. Start with 300 milligrams per day and gradually increase the dosage by 300 milligrams every 3 days, up to about 1,000 milligrams. If you're taking the capsule form, have them before lunch or dinner to aid in carbohydrate processing. If you experience mild to moderate side effects such as nausea, headache, jitteriness, or changes in your sleep patterns, reduce the dosage to the level that you tolerated and remain at that dosage for a week before attempting to increase it again. It's important to listen to your body and adjust the dosage according to what feels best for you, as some people may not need as high of a dose to experience the benefits of NMN. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. The effects of NMN may be subtle and take time to manifest, so it's important to be patient and consistent with your supplementation. How do you know if it's working? There are some positive signs to look out for. An extra boost of energy. Its effects on cellular metabolism help increase both stamina and endurance. You'll experience improved cognitive function and a boost in your memory. Your skin might start looking healthier, as NMN helps to protect the skin from UV damage and promotes collagen synthesis. Your blood flow may also improve, and as inflammation goes down, it will lead to better cardiovascular health. And this is my favorite, actually. A general sense of well-being and improved mood. Life feels a lot better. Don't forget, it's important to choose one from a reputable manufacturer that has been tested for purity and potency. Leave a comment below and we'll make a video with our top recommendations for where to buy high-quality NMN.